Alrighty, good evening, everyone. It is 8:54 p.m., Thursday, July 24th. So we finished the right side, which is great. It's awesome. But now we're going to do this side. So we tried tries one time, and it didn't really go anywhere. Let's try it again. This is probably going to be worse because it's been a minute since I've touched trees. So we're probably going to be stuck here for a little bit. I don't know. I mean, today I have extra time. Maybe I can do two, but I'm not going to lie. Getting tired. So we'll see. A try, pronounced a try, or a prefix tree, is a tree data structure used to efficiently store and retrieve keys in a data set of strings. There are various applications of this data structure, such as autocomplete and spell checker. Implement the try class. So try will initialize the object. Okay, makes sense. It goes through the constructor. Void insert string word, so that'll insert a node. Okay. Boolean search string word returns true if the word is in the try, and false otherwise. Boolean starts with string prefix string returns true if there is a previously inserted string word that has the prefix. Insert apple. Search for apple. Search for up. I hate when they don't give you like the runtime for these, because I'm just like left to wonder. Like, I'm assuming they want a O of 1 lookup time, right? Or maybe it's an O of n lookup time. Or O of n login, maybe, because they're doing tries, tree-like formation. What's up, big dog? What's up, baby? Want some attention? Want some loving? Really? Okay. I have no idea how a try works, so I might just give up, honestly. Oh. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. Shoot. That's interesting. Do I need to make like a node object? How do you make that in Python? There you go. Just gonna copy that. Can I put a class in a class? Is that possible? Is this valid? Dude, how do I want to write this? I actually don't want that. I'm trying to think of like an O of n time. So it needs to be. I wonder if I can use a dictionary. Is this dumb? Question mark? Oh, wait, I might be able to use a dictionary. That's actually something that might be valid. I could, I can make a pretty quick search, honestly. I can make insert slow, but I can make the search pretty fast. Maybe that's, I feel like if it's too good to be true, it's just too good to be true. Okay. If I do a set, it's even a faster lookup time. I don't know. I don't really care. Who knows? We'll see. Okay. And that's one way to do it. So let's run this, see if this causes any errors. Runtime error. Yeah, that's because it's expecting a return type, but it's not getting one, so it's causing a bit of a stink because of that. Feeling there's gonna be an error somewhere. All right, perfect. So what I like to see. Okay. Prefix. See if that works. No. Haha. Ah, yep. Okay. Oh, right. Shoot. It needs to be it needs to be declared as a as valid. Huh. Okay, I have an idea. This might be a bad idea, but it's idea nonetheless. This is pretty stupid. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty stupid. I'm trying to put like a flag in here. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. It's probably not even like fast. This is probably actually really slow now. Well, now that I did that, and you know. No, shoot, that's gonna be wrong. Okay. Sure. I ran on the first one, but don't really. Okay, accepted. See, that don't feel right, so I'm kind of want to see what the video they wrote here. Let's see how they did it.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's write. We have to mark the end of the word, right? So this is the end of the word, right? The letter E is the end of the word, so we're going to mark it such that so that this is identified as the end of the word, right? Not, for example, this, right? If we mark this as the end of the word, then first place. Because if we want to insert words and search for a node for every single word. Now let me just show you one last thing before we jump into the code. So we're going to do one last function. We want to check, does any word...
Actually, I don't really care. I actually don't care about tries. I've never heard of these things ever, so I feel like I'm pretty safe to say they're generate image. What do you mean generate image? Like an AI? Yeah, you better piss me off. You better put an AI on my thing. It's the most disingenuous bullshit ever. What do you think, y'all? Should we do another one? I think we got time. I think we got time to do another one. I mean, this uses Redux or not Redux. What's it called? I can't remember what it's called, but I don't think they will be using that. I mean, they will be using a try, right? But still, like I implemented a completely archaic thing. Hold up, you know what? Let me go back and just look at let's look at the code at least. Whew, I'm so tired. Man, I am tired. And I'm sweating too. It's hot in my room. Goodness gracious. Hurricane? No, you're joking. Word search 2. Haven't I done that one already? No, I haven't. I thought I did. I thought I saw that. Huh. Dude, I don't want to do this. I'm so tired. Oh my god. Okay. The problem with the dot is it can go any path. Right. I guess I could do like a little bit like almost like backtracking almost. That kind of allows me to go to a new path. Any path I so choose. Right, like if it's a dot, just choose any, just select all of the next ones. I don't know. I'm dead tired. I know this is gonna sound like a cop-out, but I don't want to do this today. I think I'm just gonna call it low key. Low key? I think I'm gonna call it. Okay, he doesn't. He just does an array. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Sorry, I'm ridiculously tired. Thank you, folks, for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow.